Hi, it's Dave Dickinson with Bankers Compliance Consulting. I've got an exciting announcement to make. Effective March 1st, Bankers Compliance Consulting is going to join Brady Martz, a top 100 nationally ranked accounting and advisory firm. Since 1993, Bankers Compliance Consulting has been turning complicated regulations into plain English, as you well know. And we're going to continue to do that. But teaming up with Brady Martz will strengthen our capabilities and expand the services for which we are able to serve you. Brady Martz serves financial institutions with loan file reviews, financial statement audits, income tax preparation and planning, and internal audit assistance, as well as the many additional services that you see listed here. We're excited about the ability to continue to serve you with our expert advice and personalized help, while also taking advantage of the extra services and expertise that Brady Martz provides. And if you're wondering, I'm not going anywhere. I, along with the rest of the very talented Bankers Compliance Consulting team, will continue to serve you now in a stronger and more effective way. We've appreciated your partnership in the past, and we look forward to continuing to build relationships with you in the future. Thanks.